Welcome to Currents Chem World. In this, we'll study on Latimer diagram. It was proposed by Latimer, an American chemist. We'll see Latimer diagram and its applications. This is a syllabus in CBSE plus 2 syllabus, as well as in UG BSc Chemistry, as well as in MSc Chemistry. It is asked there are several questions asked on Latimer diagram and its applications in IIT, JEE, as well as in CBSE and also in IIT JAM, even MSc GATE entrance examinations for research. GATE is conducted for research and also for job, getting job. Okay. Now, what is Latimer diagram? I will see first. Latimer diagram, for example, it gives a summary of the standard reduction potential of the element. It gives a summary of the standard reduction potential of the various oxidation states of the same element. For example, this is the Latimer diagram of manganese element. The several oxidation states are arranged in decreasing order, decreasing oxidation number. For example, here +7, here 0. So this is arranged in the decreasing order of oxidation number. This is +7, +6, +5, +4 and like. Similarly, the standard reduction potential. See, the standard reduction potential values are also arranged in the decreasing order. See, as you see, the value is higher. As you go left, right, the value decreases and it becomes very, very low. Okay, minus, that is minus the value, the standard reduction potential values in this series is decreasing, as well as the oxidation state of the species of the same element. Whereas in electrochemical series, the standard reduction potentials of different elements are listed in the decreasing order. Again, in the decreasing order, here also the standard reduction potentials are arranged in the decreasing order. Okay, now there are two applications. We will come to two appreciation. It gives disproportionation reaction. Which species undergo disproportionation? It gives which species undergoes disproportionation, and also we can calculate the free energy delta G value. So therefore, there are two applications. One is disproportionation. 2 is delta G can be calculated, and also the potential of the unknown species. For example, you know everything. Suppose this you don't know. We can calculate using the Latimer diagram. Okay, now I have given a question I asked in IIT JAM 2017. Okay, this is the entrance examination conducted for BSc students to get into IIT, NIT, etc. National Institutes. Okay, the question, what is the question asked? In the following Latimer diagram, MnO4 minus, they have given the standard reduction potential. It is reduced 1 electron reduction and 1 electron reduction, and finally you will get this is the Latimer diagram, a summary of the standard electrode potential of the various oxidation states of the element. Okay, in this case, the species which species undergoes disproportionation. What is disproportionation? For example, you have studied disproportionation. For example, copper plus. You will have another example on the right hand side. Copper plus, for example, oxidized to copper plus, and one of them and reduced. One of the copper is oxidized and another copper is, so the two copper, one of the copper is oxidized, another copper is reduced. Okay, so you will have balanced. So this is called disproportionation reaction. One of them is oxidized, one of them is reduced. Okay, now in this question, there are several species, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which species undergoes disproportionation? See, as you see from left to right, see plus 0.56. And here it is decreasing. According to Latimer diagram, the value should decrease as we go from left to right. And it is decreasing, but you see here in this case it is increasing. So it should decrease it should be less than 0.27. Therefore, this species this species undergoes disproportionation. Okay, in this case, M1O4 3 minus undergoes disproportionation because the potential to the right is greater than to the left. Okay, so in other cases you see 0.93, it is less 0.15, the reduction potential is less. See here, this is very less. So this is the species which undergoes. So the answer is M1O4 3 minus. Okay, now let us see another example. Which is asked in GATE 2006. It is interesting. It is in it is IIT JEE. It is a common question. It is also asked in MSc level also. So as you see here, similarly copper 2 plus is reduced to copper plus is reduced to copper. Okay, the standard reduction potential you see is to decrease according to Latimer diagram. The standard reduction potential values to decrease from left to right. Okay, left to right, but it is increasing. In the case of copper plus, okay, here it is decreasing, but here it is increasing. Therefore, the species undergoes disproportionation. That's what we have written. Now, this is not the question here. This undergoes disproportionation, but they have asked the potential for this copper. They have given copper 2 to, they have given potential for, we can write this. Okay, Cu2 plus 1 electron gives Cu. Okay, and the next copper plus 1 electron gives, copper plus gives copper. Okay, since they have asked the potential for this one. Okay, what is the potential for Cu plus 2 electron gives Cu? So what is the standard reduction potential? They have given the standard reduction potential for this equal to 0.16, okay, and this is 0.52. They have asked this. Okay, we cannot calculate by simply adding or subtracting the standard reduction potential. This is not allowed because the standard reduction potential E0 is not a thermodynamic property. It is not a thermodynamic function. Therefore, we know that delta G is equal to, there is a relation between the thermodynamic function and free energy. Therefore, we can calculate the delta. For example, delta G for this number of electron involved is 1. Therefore, 1 E is 0.16. We cannot. Okay. So similarly, you have a table like that. Delta G here also 1 electron involved, therefore 1 electron into 0.52 F Faraday, okay, and this we don't know, therefore the minus E0 F. Here the 2 electrons are involved, therefore 2, okay. Now if you add these two, for example, in this case we cannot add this to get this, okay, only the free energy change is a thermodynamic function property, it can be added, this cannot be added. Therefore, if you add, what will happen is, this will get cancelled, okay. So you will get this, therefore, delta G, this one, delta G3, we can call it as delta G3, okay, this is delta G1, delta G2, therefore, we can write delta G3 equal to delta G1 plus delta G2. Okay, so delta G1 is nothing but 0.16 F minus, okay, plus only, therefore 0.52 F, and again here 2 minus E0 F. Okay, so if you calculate, if you add this 8 and 6 minus 0.68 F, therefore you will get minus 2 E0 F, F cancelled, minus cancelled, therefore E0 equal to 0.68 divided by 2 equal to 0.34. Okay. This is the volt, this is the potential of copper, reduction potential of copper 2 to copper. Okay, similarly we have like 7. If you take manganese plus 7 to plus 7 to 0. Therefore, you have 7 steps. So you can add similarly delta G1, delta G3, delta G1, delta G2, delta G3, and similarly we can calculate for any EMF of the unknown. For example, they will ask here what is the potential for conversion of M1O4 2 minus to M1O4 3 minus. You can use the Latimer diagram, this free energy approach, to calculate the free energy as well as the EMF of the potentials. Once you know the free energy, you can calculate the equilibrium constant as we have discussed earlier in our video. Thank you for watching.